Hi, welcome to Thursday Math. Today your objective is you're going to learn how to solve real-world problems involving ratios and rates. So you have one vocabulary assignment to do, and after your vocabulary assignment you have two videos that you can watch. Now these videos don't play in the browser. When you click the video it's going to take you to an outside link. So just know that the videos look a little different today. After you watch the two videos, then you're going to click Next and move into guided practice. There's two assignments today, R13 and 15, where they're both word problem assignments. You're comparing ratios, and this one is ratios and rate word problems. So remember, you need to get 90 points on each assignment. If you need extra help, there's actually 3 different videos you can watch that might help you. Then you have, after that, your discussion post. Your discussion post, remember to reply to that. You're just going to click reply and start typing your response. 20 to 30 words. You have to reply to 2 other people's posts and like 3 different classmates' posts. When you're finished, you're going to get the stop sign. So, good luck. Have a great day today in math.